Woke up this morning, sun was beating on my head. Woke up this morning, sun was beating on my head. I looked for my master, found a hollow porch instead. My ribs are showing like the slats on an old fence line. Yeah, my ribs are showing like the slats on an old fence line. I ain't had a biscuit since the winter of '29. I'm just a stray dog walking on a dust road. Yeah, a stray dog walking on a dust road. Got no collar on my neck, just a heavy, heavy load. The highway long and the water's mighty hard to find, but I'm leaving every bit of that lonesome town behind. Past a big white house, heard a hound dog start to bay. Past a big white house, heard a hound dog start to bay. He's got a bull and a chain, but I got the right of way. The dust is rising, getting tangled in my fur. I'm a four-legged ghost where the gravel and the shadows blur. The moon is rising, cold and white as a bleach bomb. The moon is rising, cold and white as a bleach bomb. It's a lonesome feeling, being out here all alone. But I'll keep on walking till I find a friendly gate, hoping there's a kitchen where a scrap of hand might wait. Dust in my throat, gravel in my paws.